Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to lose 10 kilograms fast, safely, and naturally? Here's the secret. It all starts in the morning. Your body will either burn fat or store fat throughout the day based on what you do in the first half of your day. Stay with me because today I will give you a doctor-approved morning routine that can help you lose up to 10 kilograms in a healthy way. No crash diets, no starving yourself, no expensive supplements. We will cover the science of morning weight loss, best breakfast drinks to speed up metabolism, easy breakfast ideas that burn fat, simple exercises to activate fat-burning mindset hacks to stay consistent. Lastly, a plan for a 7-day morning challenge that you can begin tomorrow. Let's get started on your transformation now. Why it's best to lose weight in the morning. Most people think weight loss is only about eating less, but science says the timing of what you do is just as important. When you wake up in the morning, your body is in fasting mode. Your stomach is empty, insulin levels are low, and your body is ready to burn stored fat. If you start your morning right, you turn on your fat-burning switch. If you start your morning wrong, with heavy sugary food or no activity, your body stores fat all day. Key points. Morning routines control hormones. They speed up metabolism. They decide how hungry you feel during the day, so if you want fast results, use your morning like a secret weapon. Your power hour is in the first hour. Best morning drinks for weight loss. Let's begin with the beverage that you should consume first thing in the morning. Drinks that speed up your metabolism, flush your stomach, and wake up your digestive system have been recommended by your doctor. Drink 1. Warm lemon water. 1 glass warm water plus juice of half lemon cleanses liver. Balances. pH boosts vitamin C. Drink 2. Ginger water slice 2 centimeters. Ginger plus boil in 1 cup water. Improves digestion, reduces bloating, burns fat naturally. Drink 3. Fenugreek water. Drink 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds after soaking them overnight. Regulates blood sugar. Improves metabolism. Pick one of these drinks and stay consistent for 30 days. Your belly fat will start melting. Perfect morning breakfast for weight loss. Now let's talk about breakfast. Skipping breakfast is not the solution. The right breakfast tells your body to burn fat, not store fat. Breakfast options approved by your doctor. High-protein breakfast. 2 boiled eggs plus 1 slice whole grain bread. Oatmeal bowl. Oats plus chia seeds plus berries, smoothie, spinach plus banana plus almond milk plus flax seeds. Greek yogurt served with fruits or cucumbers. Eat breakfast like a king, but a healthy king. This stops sugar cravings and keeps you full for hours. Simple morning exercises. You don't need the gym to lose weight. Every morning, you only need to move your body for 15 to 20 minutes. Easy morning exercises. Brisk walk, 15 minutes. Stretching or yoga, 10 minutes. Workout with your body weight, 10 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, and 10 squats. The doctor's tip. Exercise in the morning on empty stomach helps burn stored fat faster. Your body can switch into fat-burning mode all day long with even a 15-minute walk. Sleep, anxiety, and odors. Weight loss is not just about food and exercise. Controlling stress and getting enough sleep are crucial. Why sleep matters. Less than 6 hours. Sleep increases hunger hormone ghrelin. It makes you crave junk food. Poor sleep slows down metabolism. Stress and gaining weight. Stress releases cortisol, which makes your body store belly fat. Small hook. Sleep well, stay calm, and your morning routine will work even faster. Home remedies and spices for fat loss. Nature gives us powerful fat-burning helpers right in our kitchen. Spices for losing weight recommended by doctors. Turmeric helps the liver and reduces inflammation. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels. Green tea increases metabolic rate. Leaves of mint are helpful for digestion. Add these spices to your morning tea or breakfast. Small change, big results. 7-day weight loss challenge. Now it's time to take action. A plan for a 7-day challenge that you can start today. Day-by-day plan. Day 1, warm lemon water plus brisk walk plus high-protein breakfast. Day 2, ginger water plus yoga plus smoothie. Day 3, fenugreek water plus stretching plus oatmeal. Day 4, lemon water plus walk plus boiled eggs. Day 5, squats, ginger water, and a smoothie. Day 6, cinnamon tea plus yoga plus oats. Day 7, choose your favorite drink plus light exercise plus healthy breakfast. Follow this for just 1 week. Take a photo on day 1 and day 7. You will see visible changes. My friends, losing 10 kilograms is not magic. It's science plus consistency. Your morning is the best time to reset your body. Doctor's final advice. Get your water in the morning. Eat the right breakfast. Move around. Sleep well. Stay positive. You control your health. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe for more health tips.